Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your JBL Go 3 Bluetooth speaker. You might want to do this if you're having problems with it, or if you just want to clear all the pairings from it. Maybe you want to sell it. So we need to hold down the volume up button here and also the Bluetooth button, both at the same time for 10 seconds. So right now you can see it is connected to my phone. If I do the volume up and the volume down, you can see it's moving here. Afterwards, it will no longer be connected to my phone. So we're going to do it for 10 seconds and it will turn itself off when it's complete. So holding them both down now. So that's about 5 seconds. There we go, and now that's reset itself. So you can let go and it's turned itself off. If we turn it back on, it will be the same as when you first of all bought it. You can see there, it's now in pairing mode and it's no longer connected to my phone. I would have to tap on it to make it connect again. So that's it. That's how you do a hard reset on your JBL Go 3 speaker. Thanks for watching.